So, you're looking to buy a new snowplow for your truck, and you want to make sure you're getting the right plow that fits your needs. If you're watching this video, you're probably asking whether a plow such as the Westin Pro Plow Series 2 fits your truck and meets your plowing needs. You also probably want to know how easy it is to mount and dismount. Will you need to make permanent modifications to your truck to use the plow? How easy is the plow to control? Will your truck look like a Mad Max build when the plow's not mounted? I'm Cody from Northwest family-owned Titan Truck, and in this video, we'll begin to answer those questions. We'll talk about the blade type, construction, plow mount, and controls, and then make some recommendations about who this plow is and isn't for. But first, why listen to us anyway? I'm so glad you asked. Titan Truck has been upfitting trucks and vans for over 35 years, installing thousands of plows. We're also an authorized distributor and installer for Western, Meyer, and Snowdog plows. In short, our team has probably seen and heard it all, so here's what you need to know about Westin's Pro Plow Series 2 snowplow. Now, as you probably know, there are three types of snowplows: straight blade plows, such as the Pro Plow Series 2 we're talking about in this video, V-plows, and expandable plows. Each type of plow has its own advantages and disadvantages, but we cover that topic in another video. It's linked in the description down below. Straight blade plows, like the Pro Plow Series 2, are probably the most common. They've been around the longest, and although they aren't the fanciest knife in the drawer, they just get the job done. But not all straight blade plows are created equal, and not all are designed for every vehicle application, but we'll come back to that. Westin's Pro Plow Series 2 straight blade snowplow has a 29-inch tall mold board made from either 11-gauge steel or 3/8-inch high-density polyethylene. It is available in three different sizes: 7.5 foot, 8 foot, and 8.5 foot, all featuring Westin's signature red finish. Ooh, ah. However, like my mother always used to say, it's not all about looks, sweetie. You have lots of other great qualities. Thanks, Mom. Well, in the case of the Pro Plow Series 2, those other great qualities start with the plow's structure and reinforcement. It's no secret that snow can be heavy, and in larger spaces such as parking lots, the weight of the snow you're pushing can add up fast, causing some plows to twist or even completely buckle. Fortunately, all three sizes of the Pro Plow Series 2 utilize 7 vertical ribs to reinforce the mold board and eliminate blade twisting under load. So this means that the Pro Plow Series 2 can handle pretty much any snow load that will fit in its blade. What about impact protection? The Pro Plow Series 2 has 4 heavy-duty coil springs that allow the blade to trip when it hits an obstacle, along with a shock absorber that softens the tripped blade's return, protecting and extending the lifespan of your plow and your truck. Alright, so how much of a hassle will it be to mount and dismount the Pro Plow Series 2? Will you need to make permanent modifications to your truck? Will it look like this when it's done? The Pro Plow Series 2 uses Westin's fully mechanical Ultramount 2 system. The plow's receiver mounts underneath your truck's front bumper and features easily removable brackets when it comes time for the off-season. Notice how discreet the mount is. Unless someone's looking for it, they probably won't even notice the mount when the blade isn't attached. Alright, but how does the mount work? Well, attaching the plow is simple. Once your truck is in position, release the shoe handle, remove the lock pin, and rotate the assembly up. Once you've done that for both sides, plug in the electrical connections, and boom, you're done. Detaching the plow is just as easy. Unplug the electrical connections, pull the lock pin, rotate the assembly, then push the shoes back down. With both a handheld cab command push button controller and a smaller joystick controller, Westin lets you choose which interface style is the best fit for you. Alright, let's talk about the Pro Plow Series 2 as it relates to your truck and who this plow is and isn't for. With 2 different blade materials and 3 different blade sizes available, the Pro Plow Series 2 is designed to fit a wide range of Class 2 to 3 vehicles, including most 3/4 ton and up trucks. However, adding an additional 1,000 pounds of weight to the front of a vehicle doesn't come without caveats. These plows are rigorously tested to ensure that both the plow and truck can still operate safely under both normal driving and plowing conditions, without exceeding the weight rating of your front axle. A lot of factors play into this, such as your truck's engine size, engine type, cab size, bed length, and axle weight ratings. To verify whether the Pro Plow Series 2 will fit your particular configuration, visit titantruck.com/fitmytruck. Overall, it's one of our favorite plows to recommend for entry-level commercial use or for independent snow removal contractors. This really is a contractor-grade plow. I mean, it does say that on the sticker after all. In general, the Pro Plow Series 2 will not fit most half-ton trucks, and it's probably a bit overkill if you're someone who's just looking to plow your driveway a couple times a year. Again, you can see a full list of plows from multiple brands that fit your truck's exact configuration by going to titantruck.com/fitmytruck. Don't see the Pro Plow Series 2 and the results for your configuration? Take a look at the Pro Plus or midweight straight blade snowplows. We have videos on both of them linked in the description below. If you like this video, like this video. If you want to see more of our content, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you get an update when we post a video. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/TitanTruck or on Instagram at TitanTruck Spokane. I'm Cody, and I'll see you next time.